Amma said it's impossible to burn 200 candles on Muktaji's cake. Could she really be 200 years old? Or is there a secret hidden in time? Why doesn't anyone know her real age? Could clues be hidden in history, trains, royal parties, or old letters? What remarkable moments has she lived through? Putta and Putti are on mission to solve the mystery. Will they uncover the truth about Muktaji? Are you ready to join them on this incredible journey? The sun peeked through the curtains. Putta and Putti jumped out of bed. Their eyes were bright. Today is Muktaji's birthday, Putti said. Amma said it's impossible to put 200 candles on her cake, Putta whispered. Could she really be 200 years old? Impossible, Putta grinned. But if Amma says it, there must be a secret. Let's find out. They packed their bags quickly. They grabbed their notebooks. Then they ran to catch the train. The train rattled and whistled. It felt like it was taking them through secrets of the past. When they reached the old greenhouse in Mysore, they ran inside. Happy birthday, how old are you today? They shouted. Muktaji smiled. Her eyes twinkled. Oh my clever little detectives, you want to know my age? The answer is hidden in history. Follow the clues and you may solve the puzzle. The twins leaned closer, pencils ready. Before I was born, Muktaji began, our Maharaja went to a big party in Delhi. The British king and queen were visiting. Our Maharaja got gold medal. That was 5 years before I was born. Find the year of that party and add 5. That will tell you my birth year. The twins wrote it down. Each clue was a piece of the puzzle. When I was 9 or 10, Muktaji continued, my uncle from Bombay visited. He told us about the first clean trains in Bombay. No smoke, no dirt. You stayed clean while traveling. Clean trains? Wow, Putti whispered. How could anyone get dirty on a train? Some years later, Muktaji said there was a law. A girl had to be at least 15 to get married. I was 16 when I married. That same year, the Maharaja opened the Krishna Raja Sagar Dam and the Brindavan Gardens. Soon after, my husband got a job in Bombay and we moved there, Muktaji said. The twins were amazed. Did anything else happen that year? They asked. Yes, Muktaji. Muktaji said, the KRS Dam and Brindavan Gardens opened to the public. Just then, Aji bought hot paisa, Muktaji's favorite dessert. After lunch, the twins ran to the central library with the grandfather. Putti found a book and read aloud. The KRS Dam and Brindavan Gardens opened in 1932. So Muktaji must have been 16 then, Putta said. That means she was born in 1916. Grandfather added. Aji, Muktaji's fifth child, was born in 1942. Putti thought, wait, she said she was 9 or 10 when her uncle told her about the clean train in the Bombay. That train ran in 1925. If she was 10 then, she was born in 1915. Putta, we need to check the royal party in Delhi too. They asked Ajja. Yes, he said, the grand party in Delhi happened in 1911. King George V and Queen Mary visited. Our Maharaja got a gold medal. The twins clapped. 5 years after 1911, that's 1916. Putta shouted. Exactly. Muktaji laughed. We solved the mystery. Very clever detectives. Happy 100th birthday, Muktaji. The twins cheered. Aji bought a big spongy cake with pink icing and roses. The family sang and cheered as the Putta and Putti cut the cake with their great-grandmother. Muktaji shared another secret. Aji is my 5th child. There is 2 year gap between each child. Haji was born in 1942, the fourth child was born in 1940, the third in 1938, the second in 1936, and the first in 1934. The twins' eyes widened. So your first child was born in 18 years after you, Putta. Muttaji smiled, yes. And I never told anyone exactly when each child was born. Some secrets are just for clever detectives like you. The twins giggled. They were proud. They had solved Muttaji's age and the story of children. They had uncovered a mystery that had puzzled the whole family for years.